The
Okay,
recording
it's
has
okay.
started.
Sir, I also know.
Okay, recording start. No problem. So we are starting from where were we? Page 44, pancreas. So in this we were talking about insulin. So insulin में क्या होता है? Insulin is the one which regulates the amount of sugar level in our body. So if the sugar, so first of all, sugar level, it shouldn't increase a lot and it should not even decrease a lot. It should be balanced. So if the sugar level increases a lot, then insulin is produced more in order to regulate it. And if the sugar level is very less, then the insulin production is decreased in our body so that the sugar level should increase. It should be balanced. This is what is the function of insulin.
सर रिपीट करो ना,
insulin,
क्या बोला?
insulin का क्या कर, the function of insulin is to regulate the sugar level. If the sugar level increases, then insulin also increases. If the sugar level decreases, then the insulin production also decreases. Then,
Okay.
so insulin, there are three things. Insulin converts glucose to glycogen, which is ultimately stored in the liver and muscles, induces the cells to burn extra glucose to produce heat and energy for the body. And it also causes the cells to convert extra glucose into fat. Next, insufficient secretion of insulin causes diabetes. So diabetes is basically illness bad for our body, and if there is very less amount of insulin in our body, and if the insulin is not, if our body is not able to produce insulin, then you can be affected and then you can get this diabetes. A diabetic person has a high concentration of sugar into the blood. He secretes a great deal of urine loaded with sugar and feels thirsty because of the loss of water because of too much urination. Usually he loses weight and tends to become weak. In certain person, the glucose level comes down due to over secretion of insulin. This is very harmful and may have serious consequences. Glucagon stimulates the breakdown of glycogen into the liver to glucose. Abhi, very important. Liver is a body part which which stores glycogen. लिवर के अंदर ग्लाइकोजन स्टोर्ड होता है. अभी ग्लूकागॉन क्या करता है? It converts the glucagen which is stored into the liver and it produces glucose through it. अभी ग्लूकोज का फंक्शन, ग्लूकोज से हम लोग को एनर्जी आता है. Thus it rises the sugar level into the blood. Next part is
सर अगर कम
pituitary gland.
शुगर हुआ तो भी कोई डिजीज होता है? कम शुगर हुआ तो
Come sugar, if there is come sugar, then only come sugar, say we will get less energy. See, if there is less sugar level in our body, then even if we will walk a little bit, we will feel tired. Even if you climb one floor, you will constantly inhale, exhale. वो सब होता है. Lack of sugar levels, energy production less होता है. Next is pituitary gland. A pituitary gland is a pea-sized. ये कौन है?
Sir, it is left.
बोलो क्या हुआ?
सर 1 ही मिनट बचा है.
1 ही मिनट बचा है. 1 मिनट ये कंप्लीट करते हो जाएगा. Pituitary gland is a pea-shaped gland which it secretes several hormones, some of which regulate the activity of the endocrine glands. So the pituitary gland is also called as the master gland. Now on page 45, look over here. This entire paragraph I am not explaining, you have to read it. इसमें कौन सा hormone क्या function करता है, that is given. You have to read it by yourself. And on page 45, this is LBH. Very पूरे चैप्टर नहीं, अभी तक का जितना किया है उसका रिवीजन is there in this particular part. Very important part is given over here. So this you have to read it later on. So right now I will be exiting the meeting and I will switch off the meeting, and this आगे का part adolescence, I'll give you 2-3 minutes. उसके बाद Hitanshi teacher is going to make the Zoom conference call. You have to join over there. She will post the link on the group and the ID password on the group. Then you can join. And I'll also tell the teacher to give some people the permission to record. So record the class as well. Now इसके आगे का कोई भी lecture रहेगा, whether it is our maths class or science class or any class, doubt solving anything,